September 8th, 2024. Yesterday, I made a video of me doing sit-up to stand-up. And some people said, oh, he's using momentum with these little plates. I was using momentum, I was cheating. I dedicate this to the man that made that comment. Okay, this here is 5 kilo plates. There's 4 of them, which comes out to 20 kilos. It's 44 pounds. It's 50 pounds right here. Let me show you something, my friend. Because you said I used leverage. I cheated. Hi there. Slow motion. I'm moving, sorry. Trying to keep as close as I can to my body. Anyway, you get the point. I could probably do more reps, but I'm not gonna. This is each kilo is 5 plates. There's 4 plates there. The bar is 50 pounds with the locks. Anyway, not showing off. I'm just trying to make a point to you. I don't need leverage. I don't need to cheat. I keep it real, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you a great Sunday, September 8th, by the way. I got plenty of videos coming. Enjoy your Sunday, everyone. See you soon.